Want to expand internationally on Amazon with a few clicks? I'll show you how to do it in today's video using Amazon NARF. So here's an example right here, and this product's selling for $29.96 on Amazon USA. So you can see it's Amazon.com, but guess what? They're using NARF, which is also called North America Remote Fulfillment. And this is where they can sell in Canada. You can see at the top, .ca, they're also selling in Canada. So what happens if somebody orders the product, Amazon takes it from their US inventory and ships it to the people in Canada and does it all for you. This is a great remote fulfillment option to test out different countries and make more money. So I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to do that. So all you have to do is log into Amazon Seller Central. Once you're in Amazon Seller Central, you're going to go to inventory, and there's a remote fulfillment with FBA button right here. If you don't see this, make sure you're upgraded to a professional seller and you're in the United States, okay? So once you're there, it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna explain the benefits, right? You make more money, you can get seen, international sales, good stuff like that. But you're gonna click Marketplace Enrollment, and you can see I'm already enrolled in Canada, I'm already enrolled in Brazil, but Mexico is not enrolled, it's inactive right here. So you're gonna click Activate, Build International Listings, and then just click Confirm. And then it's automatically going to do that. It usually takes 24 hours, but that's going to wait, and then it's automatically gonna recreate all of your Amazon FBA listings in Mexico for you. Now, after 24 hours, you can double check back here to see if it's there, and you can go to the Manage Listings tab and see if it's there as well. But what I also want you to do is just go into your US and go into Inventory, click Edit on one of your listings, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Let's go to the Edit page, all the way down to the bottom, and you can see, you can actually turn this on. Turn Mexico on and then put a price, right? So you can help convert your currency in the US dollar to the Mexican peso. You can use ChatGPT or Google, and then you just click Save and Finish, and then automatically the listing will show there as well. So those are two different ways to get it to be turned on. After that, you're going to actually go into Mexico. So right now we're actually going into Canada, but you can do the drop down. Go into Canada, let's say. So if I want to expand to Canada, since Canada's already expanded for me, I'm going to click that button right here. Then it's going to take you to Amazon Canada, and then you should see your listing there, and it should match your same exact inventory in Amazon USA. So Amazon automatically connects all of your FBA inventory from the USA to Canada or Mexico, wherever you plan to expand. And now if I click on this listing, it's going to take you to Amazon.ca, and it's going to show my listing. The only downside on this is it does have import fees. So it charges the customers a lot more money. So even if it's $95 in Canadian dollars, right? It's going to charge them an import deposit fee, shipping charges. So this might piss some customers off, and they might not buy from you if you expand to Canada. But this is a great way to test the market. If you're generating sales in Canada, even with this import deposit fee, that's a great sign that maybe you should actually expand fully to Canada. To expand fully to Canada, you would unenroll in NARF, which I just showed you how to enroll. You would just unenroll in that. And then instead of shipping it from the US to Canada, what you would do is ship a bulk amount of inventory directly to Canada's Amazon warehouse. That way everybody gets 2-day shipping. They don't have to pay import fees because it's already in Canada. So this is a great way to test it. And if it does well, then you can fully expand all of your listings internationally and ship in bulk to those different countries. Now, once you generate sales, the currency is automatically converted and then put into your US bank account. So it's pretty awesome that Amazon does all this for you, and it's a great tool to expand. That's it for today's video. What's the biggest barrier you faced when trying to go global on Amazon? Share your challenges or tips below in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This as well will expand you to the UK, Canada, all of those different countries, Brazil, France, Italy, and then make sure you're generating sales in every single country. We'll manage all of the dialect, changing all of the listings, ads, customer service, account health, advertising, design, everything in between, so you can increase your sales internationally on Amazon. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business, making sure you're expanding your products, everything's going well, finances are taken care of, and we're going to be doing the daily operations to make sure your account is running and you're increasing sales. We're here to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.